We are going to start today's session. A very good morning and good evening to all the participants.
So today I'll focus on sourcing and contract management. In streamlined procure to pay, there is an end-to-end solution which is collaborative and contract management. In sourcing and contract management, there are two solution capabilities. Those are one is source assignment and second one is operational contract management. Compared to core ERP processes, for operational contract management, a new Fury apps was developed. So in SAP S/4HANA, operational demand supports both automatic and manual processes. For this source assignment, and these source assignments are used to manage supply sources such as purchase information records or long-term purchasing, and these sources of supply are maintained inside the system, and these are further available for sources of supply but open purchase requisition and purchase order. The participants able to see my screen. The process of managing the contract creation, execution, and monitoring. So we see so many organizations ever increasing amount of pressure to improve operational efficiency. The contract managers, by the contract management process, we can maximize operational and financial performance. We can also reduce cost. We can reduce the cost. So the buyers have the effective system support to monitor the contract. Okay, now let me show you how to create a contract and all the details about the contract on the system. Okay, so before that, I just would like to give you some details. Contract is an agreement between the vendor and the customer. For the supply of material at an agreed price over a specified period of time. So we can create contract for a single plant or for all the plants supported by the organization. So we have two types of contracts. So basically you have two types of contracts. One is quantity contract and the other one is value contract. We have quantity contract and value contract. So the system is slow, it's taking some time. So let us see what is quantity contract. It is an agreement between the vendor and the customer for a supply of for a set of materials over a specific period of time. Here we can also create a release order for a delivery schedule as per the contract. For example, if, if suppose a customer has created a contract with a vendor for providing an agreement of for agreement of 1,000 hours. So basically it helps in reducing the cost. The creation of purchase order for a maintenance work is required. Then a release order will be created for a supply of service of repair work and the payment of that service is rendered. If 1,000 hours of repair work contract is fulfilled, then a request contract is introduced. So the quantity contract is based on how much quantity is entered into the contract. So in the same way, for the value contract, when the total value of all the release orders should not exceed a certain amount of time. It is totally based on the amount that is entered into the contract. So let us see practically on system on how to create a contract. So I'm just logging into the SAP Fury apps. Let us go to the Chrome. Let us copy the link and let us enter the username and the password. Let us log on. So here for creating a contract, we are using create purchase contract and click on the search icon. And here enter the app name. And let us click on the close button. So open the app and create purchase contract. So before we are going to create a contract, there are few configurations. Enter the T code SPRO and click enter. So let us go to SAP reference. So here we need to define the contract types in customizing. Go to the path, materials management, purchasing, contract. So let us click on document types and double click on. So here we can see contract types. One is a quantity contract type and the other one is value contract types. Select the document, click on copy as. So here change the type And let us remove the number ranges and the pre-selection. Then click on copy. Let us click enter. Click on continue. And finally click on save. Click on continue. So here you can see the message data was saved. So here we can see the contract types that was created already. Select the contract, double click on allowed item category, so here we need to delete the item category. So I'm deleting the consignment at the item category. So click on delete, press enter, click on continue. Here we can see the item category consignment work and click on save. Now we will define the number ranges for the contract. Click on back again. So here define the number ranges and double click on intervals. So here we can define the number ranges for the contract. So let us try to insert a line, enter the number, so let us enter the from number 600. So to 699, click enter. So here we got the message, enter intervals without overlap. Click save. So all the participants able to hear me because I just got a message. Participants not able to hear me. Is everything okay, participants? Thank you. Thank you so much. So let us continue. So here we can't save the number range is because already it is an existing number range. Already there is an existing number range. So let us try to take a different number range and try to execute this. So let us enter the from number from 1000 to 1099. Then press enter.